Okay, so we're gonna do this unboxing video. We have the Renogy RNG kit starter 200D WND30 high quality premium solar module. So there should be 2 solar panels in this box, and we're gonna check it out. Okay, so flipping this box around, let's see what we got here. So first of all, it looks like some high quality packaging here. I definitely like and appreciate that. The packaging was in good condition when I received it. There you go, there are the solar panels. And let's get these out of the box. So yeah, doing this by yourself is a little more difficult, but I'm basically able to kind of slide these out from one end. So kind of just pushing. There we go. Push these out from one end. Ah, okay. Look at that, look at that. So now we can take a closer look. Yeah, these panels seem like really high quality. I mean, look at that. Very nice. Smooth surface, looks like a good quality solar panel to me. For sure. Got the, yeah. Okay. So it looks like we have some cords and some things on the inside in between the two. So pull that over, and then we can take a look. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we have a box here. Yeah, so these are the plugs. This is what is going to connect to my roof. So on my RV, my RV was, it was pre-wired for solar. And so I have the matching connections for these up on top of my RV roof. So we'll check that out in the next step. We're just doing the unboxing right now. So we have some cable, all right. Looks like some extension connection pieces. And we have some connectors. So these are the same, once again, these same type of connectors that'll connect on top of the roof. Ah. And this should be, yes. There you go. This is the solar charge controller that goes on the inside of your RV. So with everything being pre-wired, then I should be able to connect with these connections right up under here, and then tighten them down with a Phillips screwdriver. So that should be pretty easy. And all the packaging looks really good so far. Everything looks really professional, you know, well packaged, well labeled. So, okay, yeah, so these are the brackets. These are the brackets for attaching these to the RV, and has some hardware. Yeah, good looking hardware there. Okay, so it looks like it comes with everything that you need. It has the brackets, it has the hardware for mounting, comes with your cable. Yep, there's a manual on this. Contact information for how to contact the company. Ooh, some cool stickers, yeah, like that. And the e-warranty card with a QR code. So that will definitely come in handy. I don't really see any instructions or a manual for installation, but I'm sure there are some resources online, so I will definitely be looking online on their website to look for that information. But yeah, so far so good.
Check out our Wander Open Roads travel gear shop in Etsy. Click on the link in the description.
So I'm really excited about this purchase because I bought these solar panels so that I can get into boondocking with my Class C. These panels are really going to be able to work to charge my house battery. I'm actually replacing my house battery with 2 house batteries that I'm going to hook up in parallel. And then I'm going to use these 2 solar panels in order to keep those charged, because on some of my trips I'm planning on going, anywhere from 3 to 4 days in a situation where we're going to be boondocking and we're not going to be hooked up to shore power. So these are definitely going to help me achieve that goal, or at least that's my hope. So this is where my wires come down from the roof. You can see it says solar prep right there. And so I have to pull those wires out, and what I want to do is I want to see if I can pull those wires to the inside and mount them on a panel wall on the inside of my RV rather than having it inside of here. Hopefully I can do that. If not, then I guess I'll just have this panel basically on this wall in here, and I'll just have to make sure I don't have anything that's hitting up against it. But outside of that, it'll be fairly simple to mount inside of there if that's my only option. So we'll see how it goes. And this is on the inside of my RV. These are in my steps that come into the RV, and this is my current battery. So you see I have this battery tray here where hopefully I will have room to have 2 batteries in here. I think I do. I need to take this out. I need to measure, I need to make sure, and then I plan on getting 2 marine batteries that can go right here, and I can hook them up in parallel, and these solar panels are going to charge them, and I'm going to have some really nice house batteries that are going to do everything I need to do. Thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure, and we will see you next time.
Wander safely.